What's up, Disney Dreamers? Welcome back to Disney World Special Trix, where I teach you how to turn your vacation into a magical masterpiece. Today, we're diving into park hopping like a pro, how to visit 2 parks in one day without losing your mind or your magic. If you're new to Disney World, a park hopper ticket lets you visit more than 1 park in a single day. Right now, you can park hop to any park at any time as long as you clock into your reservation first. Yes, despite the COVID restrictions being lifted, park reservations are still a thing. Here's the tea. Not all park combos are created equal. My top 3 park hopper pairs? Stark Golden and Cultured. Hollywood Studios is great for mornings, and Epcot, perfect for food, fireworks, and vibes. Hit Galaxy's Edge early when lines are low, then bounce to Magic Kingdom for the fireworks finale. If you rope drop Magic Kingdom, you can knock out classics and finish the day at Epcot with dinner around the world. Use the Skyliner or monorail to make park hopping faster and cooler. You don't want to waste precious park time stuck in transit. Here's how to hop like a hero. Epcot to Hollywood Studios, Skyliner is a game changer. Magic Kingdom to Epcot, use the monorail for a smooth hop. For Animal Kingdom, you can only go by bus or car, so plan accordingly. Want to skip more lines across both parks? Stack lightning lanes with MultiPass. Stack Genie Plus for your second park. Book your first drive for the morning, then save those later day LLs for park number 2 when crowds peak. Park hopping is powerful, but it can be exhausting. Plan a midday chill zone before you hop. For Animal Kingdom, Nomad Lounge. Epcot, a World Showcase stroll with a snack like in Germany. I recommend their Red Bulls, those are awesome. Hollywood Studios, Baseline Tap House, and for Magic Kingdom, Columbia Harbor House upstairs seating. Bonus tip, make your dining reservation at the second park. That gives you another reason to hop, with a table waiting. Finally, pick your final park based on the show you have to see, and get there at least 30 minutes early for a prime spot. Magic Kingdom, Happily Ever After. Hollywood Studios, Fantasmic. Epcot, Luminous. So there you have it, your ultimate park hopper power plan. 2 parks, 1 day, all the magic. Like this video if you have learned something new. Comment below, what's your perfect park combo? And subscribe for more Disney World Special Trix. Or anything else that I like to upload, such as more Disney stuff, Danganronpa, or marbles. Or anything else. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.